Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn how to move the cells in Excel. So what we have to learn, like what we will learn, how to move the cells in the Excel. So as we know, these are the cells in Excel. As we know, these are the cells in Excel. So for cell 1, I will give some 100 and cell 2 I will give 200 and cell 3 I will give 525 and cell uh, A2 I will give 54 and here I will give 14 and here I'll give 123. So these are the cells. These are the cells which I have to want to move from here. Here I'm having see, I'm having A to B, right? So I'm having A to B. So I want to move from A to B to A to B to the C to D. So I just want to replace all these values in the Cth column and the Dth column. So how can I do it? So first of all, we have to select the entire column like this. So go from here and select, drag like this. The content will be selected. And see here, when you come to the border of this is the border. This is the border. You'll getting the other option here. So you can drag like this. See, I'm getting here. See, I'm getting the values here. So this is how you can drag. So you can drag from here also. So where you want, you can drag it. Where you want, you can drag it. So this is how we can drag the contents in the Excel. So this is how we can do it. So here I have dragged the values and I will give maths and science. So here I'll give 1, 2, 3. So these are the general mathematics. So these are the general mathematics. So we can move like this also. If you want to copy this thing, and if you can use Control X, you can use Control X. What Control X will do? What Control X will do? It will cut the entire column and it will paste here. It will paste here. See, this is how we can. This is how we can copy. We will cut the entire thing, and we can copy here. We can copy here, and I want. So we can do it like this also. We can do it. We can do it like this also. We can. So how can I paste it by using Control V? See here, I will give Control V. So this is, see here, I will copy all this thing. So I'll copy all these things. And how can I paste it? By using Control plus V. So press Control and after that press V. Then your content will be displayed here. Your content will be displayed here. And if you want to, if you want to, if you want to use if you press Control C and Control V, the original thing will be stay like that only, stay like that only, and Control V will paste the copied thing. But if you select the whole content by using Control plus X, Control plus X, so Control plus X will do what it will do. It will cut the entire column. See here, I will use Control X. It will cut entire column and it will paste here. So it will gone, right? It's gone. So it is gone. So this is how we can move the uh, content, like move the tables or content in the Excel by using we're using drag option, by using Control plus X and Control V and Control plus C and Control plus V. In these three formats we can use it. So what is the first format? Drag it, using border, and second one using border, using border, and border, and second one is using control plus X, control plus X, and control plus V. And third option is control plus C and control plus V. So this is how we can move the content in the Excel. So this is the basic things everyone has to learn how to move the contents in the Excel. So this is how we can move the contents in the Excel. So that's it, friends. This is a simple class how to move the contents in the Excel. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.